Hey there guys, hope you're having a great day. Welcome. Today we're going to be tying up a pheasant tail nymph. Got a size 12 hook from Mustad and a 1/8 copper beadhead. Going to be tying in a little bit of lead wire, 10 thou. Give it a little bit of extra weight and really help me build that taper a little bit. About 8 or so wraps, maybe 10. Using some 6/0 Uni Thread in orange. Going to tie in right behind the lead there. And work our way back to the bend of the hook. We're going to tie in some pheasant tail. This is dyed black. So go in and grab. It's around 6 or 7 fibres. I'm going to tie in about the length of the shank of the hook. It's a little pinch wrap. Kind of help get it in position and really bite down. And come forward. Just gentle wraps to start on the lead there. And then really bite down. I'm going to tie in some small copper wire for our ribbing. I'm going to make a little kink. Just kind of help tie it in. I'm going to be tying it on the side closest to me. And work our way forward. Tie that in. And just spin that off. Good way to do it. You don't have to trim it with your scissors. And it breaks off nice and clean. Not a lot of buildup. So we're going to wrap our fibers forward. And tie off. Really bite down on those. Couple wraps up front. And trim. I'm going to bring our wire forward counterclockwise, so like opposite to the way you wrapped your pheasant tail in. Really helps lock those fibers in. And Tie that on. And again, just spin that off. I'm going to add in wing case, turkey fibers, nice gentle wrap to start, and then really bite down on your next couple. Trim that out. So instead of peacock herl, which I would traditionally use, I'm going to be using some pheasant tail ice dub. Just tease a little bit. I like to just cut the corner off the bag. Just easily just tease a little bit out. It's probably a little too much. So I'm going to take my scissors and just stroke the thread down to kind of flatten it out. And then I'm going to take my scissors and just give it a little poke and split the thread. Then I'm going to take that dubbing, place it in between, close it up, give her a good spin. I really like doing it this way. Just helps the fibers kind of stick out a bit more, whereas if you would just kind of lay it on there, it would be more conforming to the taper. I really want to get some like leg-like effect. Just trimming some of the really long ones. Go in and spin that around. Bring your wing case forward. Really try to splay that around the bead head. This stuff really likes to condense when you tighten up. Couple loose wraps and then really bite down. Come up in front, bite down hard. That's why I like the 6/0. It really holds up well to you clamping down on it. And trim that out. And finish it off with a whip finish. And trim out some of these stray guys. I want a little bit of length to some of them. I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of UV resin. I'm using the Loon Flow. Has the kind of the, it's really thin, almost like water. Add a little drop there, and it'll really soak into the fibers. Sorry, into the thread. And a little bit on the underside here. Help that fly withstand a couple nice fish battles. There you have it. Super easy tie, pretty quick, super effective. If you enjoyed it, give her a thumbs up. If you're looking to see some more content, flies, tips, tricks that will be coming in the near future, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.